Here is a Yorx AM/FM multiplex electronic digital stereo from the late 1970s, and it has an 8-track player with auto eject. I did get it with an 8-track, the cassette to 8-track adapter, but I don't know where that is, and I'm too lazy to go find it. So we'll just demonstrate the radio. And this thing really needs a restoration, even though it's probably not worth it because it's it's branded Yorx. And these were, you could go out and buy these at like JCPenney or Sears or Montgomery Ward for like probably like 20 bucks. But it has bad controls, like I mean really bad. It's very touchy. You have to go like that. This thing needs some work. You have to wiggle it. It's not the greatest performer. Usually doing this notes. Let's turn off this light, even though it's not a fluorescent light, and it has a brightness control.
They just want to know that they're okay, and for some reason they just don't.
See, you can actually like go. Oh my goodness, it's an actual music station on AM for once. You can barely even. Now let's work in all the speakers. It's actually a nice radio, but it's just not the best quality. Well, because how I got this, my friend's grandma gave it to me, and it was sitting in this cabinet, like outside, or not outside, but it was sitting in this room in their house probably for 30 years or more, maybe even 20, probably just 20 years, and it hasn't been used. But That's how I got it, and I mean it works okay. And I would show this, but I don't have the 8 tracks on with me, or I don't know where that adapter thing is. But it has the program button and a eject where it goes and it ejects it, and it has the 1/4-inch headphone jack. And I just go like that. If I'm on like, and I just hold it and don't push it all the way. Let me see. Alarm set. Let's turn that on. Okay, the alarm is on. Let's see how it sounds. Should go off. Let's see, it should do it. Guess that's its alarm. Or the filter capacitor just went bad. No, that was the alarm. So there you go. Goodbye.